First, we're gonna get our wax ready. We're gonna start with the pitch pour, add it on the scale, then press the tare button to zero out the scale. Then we are gonna fill up our pitch pour with 1 pound of wax and add 15% fragrance oil. After you add the fragrance oil, we are then gonna stir for 60 seconds. Now that we have our wax ready, we're gonna pour 4 ounces of C55 wax into the container. Now for some color, we're gonna add some dye chips. You can add candle dye chips or liquid, whichever you prefer. Then we're gonna start. If you'd like to add a little shimmer, now would be the time to add a little bit of mica for a shimmer effect in your oil. The recipe for Squeezable Wax Melt is 1 part wax, 2 parts carrier oil. I will be using mineral oil, so I'm going to add 8 ounces of mineral oil. If you feel that the wax is too squishy, I recommend not using as much, so next time you can cut it back to 6 ounces and maybe that will help. Now this is optional if you like to add your favorite glitter or polymer clay shapes. It's better to do so with the funnel. I tried to pour it in there straight into the pouch, and it was a little bit difficult for me, so I would recommend just taking a Dixie cup, squeezing the sides, and then that helped me allow it to pour it in. Now take your funnel to pour the liquid directly into your pouch, and that is it. Then take the top, twist it on top, and then allow it to cool, and as it cools, it will solidify. Allow it to cool down the wax for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes and it will solidify. And that is it. There you go. There's the recipe for a squeezable wax melt. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like and share button. See you next time.